channel, then welcome. So I hope you're having a great day so far. So back with another unboxing video. Today I'm gonna unbox the May 2019 GLAMEGO box. So this is a box. So if you don't know about GLAMEGO box is a monthly subscription beauty box, and this is the most affordable and the cheapest beauty box available in India, and it only retails for rupees 399 for 1 month, and you get different plans for different number of months. For 6 months you will be paying the certain amount of money. For 12 months, if you subscribe for 12 months, you will be paying some different amount of money. So that you will be just getting on GLAMEGO's website, which I'm gonna link in the description box, so that it will be easier for you to just check all those plans. So in this beauty box, guys, you get around 4 to 5 products in each month, and the products include beauty products as well as skincare or hair care products, and the products are of really good quality, as the products which GLAMEGO just include in our beauty box belong to the most renowned brands as well as international brands. So that's the great part about GLAMEGO box, and I really like GLAMEGO box a lot. This is not a sponsored video, guys. So I have checked their Instagram and I have found that they have put a lot of good products in this month. So I thought of just ordering this, and I got this. So I hope you're gonna like this video, and if you want to know what I got in my May GLAMEGO box, then please continue watching. So this is the outer packaging, guys. This is how the box came, and when you just remove the outer box, you get the actual GLAMEGO box. So this is this month's box. It's a cardboard box, and you get the products inside this box. So this month you are getting around 4 products, which I can see in this box, and the quality of this box is really good and it's sturdy, guys. You can keep a lot of products. Most of the things which I have found in GLAMEGO boxes is that the boxes are of very good quality, so you can easily use it. I do store quite a lot of stuffs in these boxes. It's very much usable, so you can use it as well. These are the 4 products which I got in this month, and I have removed the bubble wrap which were there inside this box. So I'm sweating like a pig, guys. It's so hot and I can't bear my soft boxes. These are just giving me so much heat that I'm just sweating like a pig. Anyways, let's come to the box. The first thing which I can see in this box is this card. This is basically the information card which gives you the information about the products which you receive in each month's box. So I can see here that I have got 4 products in this month's box, and the price and everything is written over here. So the first product which I was excited about in this month's box is this one. This is the Eyeliner Wet and Dry powdered foundation, which retails for rupees 995. So when I saw its sneak peek, I thought of just ordering it because of this product. So you can basically use it in wet form, that is, if you use a wet sponge and just use this product all over your face, this will give you an effect of a foundation, or else you can use it even as a compact powder. I will be using this as a compact powder because summertime is the best time to use compact. So it's a very good quality product, guys. This Wet and Dry powder foundation also contains SPF 15, so it will protect your skin from sun damage as well. I have got high hopes for this product. I'll be using it and will let you know. And the shade I got is F03 Warm Beige. So there were 4 shades which was available on GLAMEGO's website. Actually, GLAMEGO just mailed me to choose the perfect shade, and there I found that there were only 4 shades. So I got the 3rd one, as I am of medium skin tone, so I got the shade 03, and this matches me quite well. So this is a shade, I hope you can see, and it feels really soft. I saw 4 shades, and 3 of them has got peach undertone or more like pink undertone, which I don't like. So I have found that the shade Warm Beige has got a little bit of warm undertone, so I got this one, and it feels really soft, guys. When I touched it, it's really soft. It doesn't feel cheap at all, and it is having a very good coverage as well. So I'm just blending this, and you can see it has provided me quite a nice coverage. So I'll be using it in one of my tutorials, and will let you know. If you want me to review this product, you can just leave a comment down below. I'll be surely reviewing it for you. So this is the first product which I got in this month's box. The second thing which I got is the health weight activated charcoal powder for natural teeth whitening. So GLAMEGO has mailed me and provided me options to choose between two products. Another thing which they have provided and given options along with this product is a sachet of hair spa, but I was curious to use this product because I have seen a lot of Instagram videos on using charcoal powder for teeth whitening, so I thought of just giving this a shot, hence I opted for this. What you have to do with this charcoal powder is that just wet your toothbrush and then just put a little amount of powder on the brush and then just brush your teeth using this powder. It will look horrible as your whole mouth will turn black. So that's a really horrible stuff, but after you just wash your mouth, you'll be getting the whitest and the cleanest teeth ever. This is what the charcoal powder claims about. And this charcoal powder retails for rupees 300 and the amount of product you're getting is 20 grams. So I haven't opened it till now, guys. It's sealed, you can see. So I'm going to use it and will provide my final thoughts about this product. The third thing which I got is this sunscreen, and this is the Blossom Culture Aroma Magic Sunblock with SPF 30 PA++. So this is a 20 ml sunscreen. Basically this is a sample size. I don't know the price of this because the price is not mentioned over here. I don't know, but this is a sunscreen which provides you broad spectrum from UVA, UVB rays. It protects and mattifies skin. So let me just see. So this is a sunscreen and it has got a shiny texture. And when I started on blending this was really matte. Oh, it gets completely absorbed into my skin, guys. Look at this. It doesn't leave any sort of white cast and it smells completely horrible. So this is quite a good sunscreen because during the summertime I just sweat so much that nothing stays on my face, and the only thing which stays is some sort of mattifying product. So I am presently using the Plum mattifying gel, sunscreen gel, and that one is working pretty well on me. So I'll be using it after I finish that one. So it's a really good sunscreen, guys. If you have oily to combination skin and if you want a completely mattifying sunscreen, you can try this one. So this is the third product which I got. So left with only one product. So this is the last product. This is the Kamakshi Seaweed and Cucumber Face Mask, which is free from all sorts of parabens and silicones, and it's completely natural. So this is a face mask, and this seaweed and cucumber face mask retails for rupees 650. So it's quite expensive, but it's small. Can you see it's really small? It contains only 30 grams of product and it retails for rupees 650. So it's quite expensive. So this is the tub and it comes with this separating lid sort of a thing. And this is the actual mask which you can see, and it smells, yeah, you can smell the seaweed inside it. It actually smells like seaweed because I have tried the entire Body Shop seaweed range and it exactly smells like seaweed. So this mask contains cucumber oil, seaweed extract, sea mud, spirulina and ginger essential oil. And I think this mask will be suitable if you have oily to combination skin. Maybe, I don't know, because I haven't used it till now. It's written all skin types. It helps in skin deep cleansing. It helps in skin lightening. I don't know what's about lightening. It deep cleanses your skin, so I think it will be helpful for you for this time of the year. So this is the fourth product which I got. So that's all for today, guys. These are all the stuffs which I received in this month's GLAMEGO box, and I hope you quite like this video. If you want me to review these products, if you want me to review any of these products, then please leave a comment down below. I'll be surely reviewing it for you. And if you just want me to unbox any other monthly subscription boxes, then please leave a comment and let me know. I'll be surely trying it for you guys. So I hope you like this video, and if you did, then please hit on the like button. It means a lot to me, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Just help me grow. This is all I need. I just need your love and support. We'll see you soon in my next video, guys. Till then, just take care of yourself. Be happy, stay healthy. Bye.